So I'll be showing you how to remove or change the bands of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 or Watch 6 Classic. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is turn the watch over, and these bands have these buttons that you need to press. Okay, so they are physical buttons which you need to apply some pressure to be able to release the strap or the band from the watch. Okay, now each one has their own. So let's start with this one. So what you want to do is just press this with your fingernail, and you have to apply enough pressure. And when you press this, the springs are going to contract and allow you to pull this strap off. Okay, so just press, and you can see it goes inside, and now you should be able to easily remove the strap. Okay, like that. So you can see what happens here. So with that spring, you can clearly see what happens when you press that. Those springs contract inside, okay, like that, and allow you to pull it off and put it back. So same goes for the other side. Just long press, not long press, just press. Okay, press the button there, or that latch, and that allows you to pull out the band from the watch. Okay, simple as that. So if you have other straps that you want to put on your watch, they will come with this. First of all, they should come with a spring inside, and then they should also come with this button that you'll press to add or remove the strap. Okay, every band you have, or any third party or extra bands you have for the Galaxy Watch 6 should have this little button. Okay, so assuming these are the new bands you want to put, you just again pick up your watch and then align the strap like that. Okay, and then press, and then try to align the strap into the that area there. Make sure you keep this pressed. Okay, and then try to release and feel if the strap has gone in. That one has not gone in clearly. Okay, so again, try again. Might take a few tries, so just be patient, and then try to release. Well, it's not the most straightforward process of doing it. Okay, it might hurt your fingernails, and also sometimes you might miss, especially with these stock straps. Okay, so that one has gone in successfully. You can test by trying to pull. Okay, if it's gone in properly, then it will not come out. Okay, as long as you're not pressing here, and then just go ahead and put in the other one. Again, same process. Just press this button and try to slide the strap. Okay, has it gone in? Try to twist it like this and try to pull, and it seems it's gone in properly. Okay, so it's not the most straightforward process, but that's the only way to add or remove the bands or the straps of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. Now, even though it's hard to add them and remove them, they are very, very secure. Okay, so I've seen some people saying they come off, and maybe you did not put them properly, or you did not check. Okay, so you have to check thoroughly before you go out jogging or running. Okay, that's basically how to add or remove the bands or how to change the bands of your Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Pro. Thanks for watching and good luck.